Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, let's take a look at what we will be expecting this week on gold. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. And also, if you are the type that you need actually kind of like a one-on-one support, or you're trying to grow up your account or whatever, you can sign up to our Patreon channel. So you will see the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. So once you go to the comment section, you see the link. Subscribe to our Patreon channel. So these are a couple of trades we've actually taken this week, which I'm going to share the link to those trades we've taken this week. So once you go to the comment section, also you see the link to some of those trades we've taken. You can see it, right. Most every of them actually hit our targets. Basically, this week we had no failed trade, though we had no failed trade this week. So next week we are going to continue again. That is for the first week of July. We would be giving out a probability trade with some setup, with some one-on-one support and some help if you need. So all you just have to do is go to the comment section, sign up to the Patreon channel, then you'll be able to get access to those trade and support we'll be putting out there. So let's see what this gold will be giving us. So if you take a look at it, food trend, you see that this is literally a downtrend move, right? No doubt that gold is literally giving us a downtrend move. It was a bearish move. So if you take a look at this movement right now, you can see that this was another key level whereby gold is supposed to literally give us a drop, right? This was the key level. Eventually, gold eventually broke up above this. So it is indicating something. There are two things gold will be doing. I'll be expecting gold to actually come to this level of 1929, right? So if it comes to this level of 1929, then I expect it to fall again. It just depends on how volatile it will be, right? It just depends on how volatile. Maybe probably we will get much movement because this week that we are trying to predict for, we'll be expecting major news. This week we'll be expecting unemployment rates. We would also be expecting FOMC statements, and we would also be expecting NFP. You see this news that we'll be expecting, they are going to determine the movement on this gold today. Of course, these news are going to affect the USD, right? Once they affect the USD, we expect gold to actually react to that way. So if this news will actually be in favor of our USD, then we expect USD to give us a bullish move. If USD eventually give us a bullish move, then I can assure you that a fall will play out on gold. But if they don't come out in favor on this our USD, right, USD starts falling, then of course, then we can now see it as a reversal movement. Probably gold can now start giving us like a bullish move. We need to be careful. We need to pay attention to the news that will be coming out this week. I just don't want to really jump and predict what we would be expecting. We need to keep track to track. We need to do it wave by wave, step by step. Then the news will now determine the movement for this week. So with this movement right now, I'll be expecting gold to actually come to the level of 1929. If it can comes to that level, then I expect a drop. Then probably the news will that drop it down, or it will actually take it up. It just depends. Then we are going to give you an update. That is, just follow us on this channel, on probably on YouTube. Subscribe to the our channel. So once we put out updates, we are going to give updates on gold, so you'll be able to get the updates. And if in case you're having trouble growing up your account, or you need assistance in trading, or probably like a mentorship or whatever you want to call it, or help or support you want, all you just have to do is go to the Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. Sign up, then you'll be able to get the much needed support you need, the trade you need, and every other things you need that's going to help in your trading. So everything will be in the comment section. So visit the link.